Let's make a fresh and colorful spring roll salad, everything you love about spring rolls with no rolling required. Start by preparing the rice noodles according to the package. You usually put them in hot water and leave for about 10 minutes. Now for the dressing. It's bold, tangy, a little sweet, and totally addictive. Mix vegan fish sauce, sugar, vinegar, lime juice, garlic, ginger, and chili garlic sauce in a small bowl until well combined. For protein, sauté some tofu in a little soy sauce or keep it simple with salt and pepper. You can also pair this with my crispy tofu or smoked tofu recipes. Assemble the salad by combining cabbage, cucumbers, red onions, carrots, and red bell pepper. The amount is super flexible and use what you love or have on hand. Add fresh mint and cilantro for that classic spring roll flavor. They make everything taste extra fresh and vibrant. This is perfect for warm days, meal prep, or picnics. It's light, refreshing, and full of flavor. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for all the details.